So whenever you get your braided wigs, this is how our braided wigs come. Here's maintenance kit and how to wear. Comes with a band too. It also comes with this kind of band. So the first thing to do is to cut your lace. That's if you're wearing it glueless. You're wearing it without glue. You cut your lace off. This is how to cut your lace. You cut your lace. Okay? When cutting the lace, you cut from here. Just where the hair ends. Okay? Tinted. But in case it was not tinted before you got it, you can get a lace tint. This is what a lace tint looks like. Then you tint it. Okay? Tint it. So this is how it looks. Okay? Put in your lace. Make sure you get a foundation or a concealer. Then go to the lines of your braids. Go to the lines of your braids and use your concealer and tint them. Okay, that's how you tint your lace. So take your time, don't rush. All these places that are open, tint them. All these places that are open, you tint them. Okay, so you have to do it. And also take note of this part. But this is the part that connects to your head and your scalp or your face. So you have to be tinted. All these parts. So when you're done tinting, you can now wear it. Check part 2 of this video to see how you can wear your braided wig. Okay, this is the part 2 of the video. The first video was how to cut your lace and how to tint your lace. So this video now is how you can wear your lace. First of all, most of our hairs comes with baby face and they are human hair. So what you do is you reduce it. This is if you're wearing it yourself, so that it will not be stressful for you. Okay, you reduce the baby face, you reduce them to the size you want it to be. You can wear a wig cap, it's optional. Okay, or make sure that your hair is well braided to the back and is flat. If your hair is high, it will not look flat. So this is how you wear your wig from behind. Okay, this is a raw video. This is not Snapchat, so that you will see everything. Now this one is optional. Already it's tight on my head because of the band. I cannot put this hair inside because it's long. Okay, the band already is tight on my head, so this one is optional if you want. But then to make it more secure, you apply this. To note is that this band here should be here. Some people will now carry the band and come to the middle. Please, the band is not for middle and it's not for front. This band is here. This is the band that holds your cap, that holds your wig. So then the next thing to do is now apply your edge wax. You can use any edge wax that is good. Then okay, mind you, I did not put any glue. This is totally glueless. I'm just rushing so that I will send this hair. This hair is a customer's hair, so I'm supposed to send it now. So that's why I'm rushing this video. It's like I'm rushing the video. Have you seen it? This is without glue. Now, for extra hold, if you want to use glue, you can use this butterfly shadow, or you can use God to be. Okay, so what you do is at the edge here, at the edge of this hair, at the edge of this hair, you see where I apply this, the edge. Now you tie your band. Tie it strong, oh. Tie it strong like this, and allow it to dry off for some time. Okay, you can be doing your makeup or any other thing you want to do. So okay, so this is how it is. This is how it's like. See, are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? So this now you can wear it for the whole day. Look at how we know they do rubbish. We know they read my lips. We don't do rubbish, man. Come on, look at this hand. You know they see her. You know they see her.